each and everyone is unique, I must say. Yeah.
But we needed such a film that explores. It's not like Sir says. It's not a disability. It's a superpower.
I'm mind blown. I actually had goosebumps. I don't know, like, I am just so happy to see Shubhangi.
जिनके बच्चे ऐसे हैं, जिनके रिलेटिव्स ऐसे हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट मिलेगा.
Your disabilities or your insecurities won't stop you. It's just a way you make them your strongest strength and win over the world.
Anupam Kher
He's
and
therefore the best. Anupam sir, of course, he's one of the greatest actors.
I thought Tanvi's performance was pretty good. Taking such a subject which is so different in itself is a huge thing.
मix of emotions, हर emotions आ रहा था ट्रेलर देखते टाइम. 5 out of 5 और तन्वी द ग्रेट के लिए सुपर कैलिफ्रेजिलिस्टिक एक्सपिएलियोडोशियस, ये वन वर्ड है.
कि इंडियन सिनेमा को, हिंदी सिनेमा को एक नई राह दिखाएगा ये
क्या
फिल्म.
बात है. Tanvi the Great, how the trailer was, how much the great it was. What do
It
you have
was
to say?
very inspirational, I must say, and like हमारे जैसे यंगस्टर्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज अभी तक लाइक हमें सिर्फ ड्रामा देखने को मिलता है ज़्यादातर बॉलीवुड में, एंड बॉलीवुड में ऐसी फिल्म बनना इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी.
The film explores the autism or the Down syndrome
Yes.
kids. What do you have to say? How much
I guess,
greatly they have explored
I
that?
guess the people जिनके बच्चे ऐसे हैं, जिनके रिलेटिव्स ऐसे हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट मिलेगा, उनको थोड़ा सा रियलिज्म मिलेगा, लोगों को जानकारी होगी इसके बारे में, तो आई गेस दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
What do you have to say about whole cast starcast
They're
performance?
brilliant, yes. Each and everyone is unique, I must say, yeah.
What's your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
Sorry?
What's your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
I guess it's 5.
According to you, it's a hit or flop?
It is a hit, definitely.
Yeah, but-
Definitely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Just share your reaction. So finally, you have seen that Tanvi the Great. How the great trailer was? What do you have to say
It's an
about it?
amazing trailer. I'm so excited to see the whole movie. I just can't wait. It is really very inspiring. And let's see what new we have.
What the thing clicked you during watching the trailer?
Your disabilities or your insecurities won't stop you. It's just a way you make them your strongest strength and win over the world.
What do you have to say about the cast
I
performance and
love
all?
the cast. I'm excited to see the whole movie, the music, the choreography,
Wow.
the direction, everything.
What's your rating out of 5?
Sorry,
What's your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
100.
And one word for Tanvi means that one who is
Tanvi
playing.
the Great.
क्या बात है. Thank you. Would you like to say that? How was the trailer, boss?
It was wonderful. We actually loved it. So it was definitely great. It's actually passes a very good message to the world. Like autism should be appreciated. Like of course we are looked down a lot in this world. So it's actually very.
What clicked you the most? What moved you the most?
The thing that moved me the most is how the cast and everything is supporting the lead actress who's just been into the industry, and of course we from Actor Prepares and how they have been how you can understand how they've been getting into this. Yeah, that's what moved me.
What do you have to say about Shubhangi, the one who is playing Tanvi?
Shubhangi she's a very sweet girl. We actually know her quite personally. She's been studying at Actor Prepares and she's struggled very much. So yeah, good luck to her. I hope she does wonders.
क्या बात है. What do you have to say about Jackie Dada also is there as supporting
Jackie
cast?
Dada is-
Anupam Kher
He's
and
therefore the best. Anupam sir, of course, he's one of the greatest actors. So yeah, best of luck to the whole team.
what's your rating out of 5 for this trailer as of now?
I would say 5 out of 5, but we're just waiting for the movie to come out because definitely that's going to be a banger.
One word for Tanvi.
Tanvi, you're the great.
Oh, thank you.
It was great.
What do you enjoyed the most from the trailer?
All kind of emotions. It's a mix of emotions. Everything. Cry, happiness, fun, hope,
क्या बात है.
hard work,
क्या बात है.
and of course Anupam sir. Watching him on screen it's a bliss every time he's on screen.
The content of the film explores the subject of autism and Down syndrome.
Autism,
kids.
yes.
What do you have to say after watching this film? The narrative of society will change.
It should. और इंडिया में अभी धीरे धीरे लोग समझ रहे हैं ऑटिज्म का क्या है, मीनिंग क्या है. लोग ऑटिज्म स्पेक्ट्रम समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. और बाहर की तो बहुत फिल्में हैं वैसी, बट वी नीडेड सच अ फिल्म दैट एक्सप्लोर्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक सर सेज, इट्स नॉट अ डिसेबिलिटी, इट्स अ सुपर पावर.
क्या बात
So
है.
we need to look at it as a superpower, and we give them that respect, and we should give them that place in our society. and yeah, it's
What do you
about
have
enjoying
to
the
say
film.
about the performance of whole star cast? You know, the giant pillars are there like Jackie Dada, Anupam Kher.
एक्सेप्शनल मतलब मैं तो स्टाफ हूँ AKS का, मैंने देखी है पूरी फिल्म, लोगों ने नहीं देखी है, मैंने पूरी फिल्म देखी है, मैंने ट्रेलर पे काम किया, सब कुछ काम किया, बट आई कैन सी दैट इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट फिल्म एंड लाइक रसूल सर सेड कि इंडियन सिनेमा को, हिंदी सिनेमा को एक नई राह दिखाएगा ये
क्या
फिल्म,
बात है?
और हाँ दैट्स इट.
What's your rating out of 5?
हाँ,
What's your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
it's 5 of 5 like full stars.
One word for Tanvi.
Tanvi the great.
Uh,
That's it. That's all I can say.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you.
I-
Give me a second. Give me a second.
I thought that it was very.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me ask the question first. Okay, rolling. So finally, you have seen the Tanvi the Great trailer. How the Great trailer was for you? What do you think?
I thought compared to most of the Bollywood films, this is a very different film because autism is not really shown in Bollywood that much, and it's represented. I thought it was very different, and the dream that she has, even though she's autistic, yeah, I thought it was very good.
क्या बात है?
I think the movie can go really ahead.
The story of the film explores the subject of autism and Down syndrome kids and their livelihoods. What do you think the after watching this film the narrative of society will change?
Yeah, first of all, people will know how these people are because most of us don't even know. We have no idea. We are so involved in ourselves. And so first of all, they'll know. Second of all, it will be like people will acknowledge them and better they'll behave with them. So
This is the director first debut film of Anupam Kher as a director. What do you think? How craftily he has worked and how beautifully he has directed all the scenes?
I only watched the trailer. I have not seen the whole movie, but I think taking such a subject which is so different in itself is a huge thing. So I think it's a risk, but I think that because he's taken a risk, it might work really
What do you have
well.
to say about performance of whole star cast? How's it looking?
I thought Tanvi's performance was pretty good.
Oh.
She did look a bit. She looked autistic. So even though she's not, and that is very hard to play.
Yeah,
So
but-
I think.
What's
that
your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
trailer? I would say 4.
And one word for Tanvi the Great. What do you can say?
Different.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's really great. I'm mind blown. I actually had goosebumps. I don't know, like, I am just so happy to see Shubhangi on the big screen. And Anupam Kher ji is, I don't have words, I'm speechless.
What do you enjoyed the most from the trailer?
The best thing I enjoyed was the way they have portrayed autism and the way Shubhangi has played it. It was amazing. I still have goosebumps while talking about it. Like literally रोंगटे खड़े हो गए वैसा वाला ट्रेलर था. It was
There are some giants like Jackie Dada and Anupam Kher are there. What do you think? How the performance? What do you have to say about the stellar cast performance?
it's a brilliant thing that मतलब वो लोग it's like a comeback of ये सब हमारे मतलब हमने उनको पुराने देखा है तब पुराने टाइम से देखे जा रहे हैं अब
Come. हाँ.
और पीछे ऊपर
अच्छा. What's for you?
It was fantastic.
What do you enjoyed the most throughout watching the trailer?
Mix of emotions. सारी emotions आ रहा था ट्रेलर देखते टाइम. Amazing.
What's your take on stellar cast performance and all?
अमेजिंग मैम. मतलब देखते ही मतलब कुछ हो रहा था कि हाँ भाई है, हम कुछ चीज़ देख रहे हैं, डिफरेंट चीज़ देख रहे हैं. एक्टर्स तो आपको पता ही सारे लीजेंडरी एजेंट्स हैं, तो फैंटास्टिक हो गई.
One word for Tanvi the Great and what's your rating out of 5 for this trailer?
5 out of 5. और तन्वी द ग्रेट के लिए सुपर कैलिफ्रेजिलिस्टिक एक्सपिएलियोडोशियस, ये वन वर्ड है.
Bro, would you like to say something? How the trailer was?
या मूवी वॉज वेरी अमेजिंग और काफ़ी अच्छा सीखने को मिला. काफ़ी चीज़ें जो मूवीज़ में दिखाया, जो ट्रेलर इतना अच्छा था, सोचो मूवीज़ कैसी होगी. जो अनुपम खेर सर ने खुद ही डायरेक्ट किया है और इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स है, बमन ईरानी जी, करण डेकर सर, शुभांगी, जो हमारे फेलो मेट्स हैं हमारी, तो काफ़ी अच्छी.
What is that one thing that people should say yes for this film?
आजकल देखा होगा कि काफ़ी मूवीज़ वो बन रही है लाइक अलग अलग, तो ये मूवी ऐसी बना दी है कि मतलब सब, अगर कोई ये फैमिली मूवी है, सबको देखनी चाहिए. तो मेरे लिए कि सब लोग जाओ अपनी फैमिली के साथ मूवी देख सकता है, कोई बिना कोई झिझक के, या कुछ ऐसा मूवी में सीन होगा वैसा होगा, प्रॉपर एक मैसेज दिया जा रहा है पूरे वर्ल्ड को. आई थिंक सबको जाना
सब लोग का काम वगैरह कैसा लग रहा है?
चाहिए. काम काफ़ी थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
काम काफ़ी अच्छा है तो आई होप कि हमें भी ऐसा मौका मिले जैसे शुभांगी को मिला।
क्या बात है,
हम भी
बहुत
इस
जल्दी।
सेम स्कूल से,
बहुत जल्दी।
लाइक हमारे ये फेलो मेट्स
क्या बात
हैं,
है।
मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं सब लोग। तो
शुभांगी को देख के क्या लग रहा है, कितना प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि मतलब
हाँ
हमें-
प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि अगर वो कर सकती है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर
क्या बात
सकते। उनको एक ही जगह पे, एक ही लेवल पे उनको वहाँ तक सामने है हमारे इस टाइम। अभी हम चेयर्स पे है, तो कल को हम भी वहाँ पे होंगे, मैं होऊंगा, ये सब लोग होंगे, तो सामने जाएंगे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा, मज़ा आएगा। और
What's your rating out of 5 for this trailer? And one word for Tanvi, the great. What?
कि मूवी देखने जाओ, इससे बढ़िया मूवी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी। और आजकल जैसे मैंने बताया मूवीज ऐसी वैसे आ रही है, कोई फायदा नहीं है। ऐसी मूवीज देखो जो कि कैंस में चली गई है।
क्या बात है।
और क्या चाहिए फिर हमें, हम बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है हमें है, आपको है, सबको है
Yes.
कि एक मतलब कोई विदाउट कोई ज़्यादा बड़ी स्टार कास्ट नहीं है, अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स है, प्रॉपर लेजेंडरीज एक्टर्स हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छे है।